The Hitachi washing machine error code C8 occurs when the door cannot close or open due to a faulty lock switch. This error is seen when the start button is pressed and the machine displays the C8 code, indicating a possible issue with the door locking properly. Various reasons can cause this error, including foreign objects obstructing the lock and an unbalanced machine. If a foreign object, such as a piece of cloth, is stuck in the lock, the door won't close properly, resulting in the C8 error. Similarly, if the machine is poorly balanced, the C8 error will appear. To resolve this issue, start by closing the lid properly. Then switch off the power supply socket and wait for about 20 minutes before turning it back on. Next, push the start or pause button on the machine control panel and inspect if the lid is closed correctly by waiting for the red key symbol to disappear. If the lid is not closed properly, check for foreign objects that may be blocking the lock switch and carefully remove them without causing damage. After removing any obstructions, try closing the lid and pressing the start or pause button to see if the error is fixed. Additionally, ensure the machine is balanced by leveling up the adjustable stand on all sides, making sure the sides are even and the machine is not shaking. By following these steps, the C8 error should be resolved, allowing the washing machine to function properly again.